The desert was one of the most dangerous environments early humans faced: extreme heat, endless sand, and almost no water. To survive the heat, they covered their bodies, protecting skin from direct sunlight instead of exposing it. They avoided traveling during the day, moving instead during cooler hours, early morning or night. Water was life. They searched for signs: birds, insects, and patches of green often revealed hidden water. In some places, water existed beneath the surface. Digging near vegetation could reveal hidden moisture. Oases were rare but vital, natural shelters offering water, shade, and life. They conserved energy, limiting movement to reduce water loss and prevent dehydration. Simple shelters made from sticks and cloth provided critical protection from the sun. They navigated using the sun, tracking shadows to avoid getting lost in endless. Sandstorms could appear suddenly. Survival meant covering the face and staying low. When water was found, it was carefully stored in animal skins for future survival. Through knowledge, patience, and adaptation, early humans survived even the harshest deserts on Earth.